Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching the camera and switching to cinematic mode. This engages depth mapping and subject tracking immediately. Tap the resolution and choose 4K at 30 for maximum detail or 1080 at 60 for smoother motion, because higher frame rates reduce motion blur. Once done, enable HDR to preserve highlights and shadows, and stabilize the phone with a tripod or gimbal to keep depth transitions smooth while you frame your first shot. Now you control focus and depth to shape the scene. Tap the subject to set primary focus and drag on screen to refine the bokeh intensity, because subtle changes affect perceived cinema quality. Make sure to enable track subject for moving people or objects so focus follows reliably. Also, use the depth slider to push the background blur for portrait drama or lower it for context. Small adjustments often yield the most natural cinematic look. To finish, play back the clip and enter edit mode to tweak focus points and the depth curve, because post adjustments fix small tracking slips. Export at a high bitrate and correct color profile to preserve dynamic range and sharpness for delivery. If you encounter focus jitter or bizarre depth shifts, relock focus on the subject, reduce frame rate, or restart the camera app. Often a quick reset of tracking resolves most problems without reshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.